Hello everyone, today I will show you a recipe for a cupcake in the microwave. In order to prepare it, you will need cocoa, baking powder, flour, sugar, butter, milk, egg, a tablespoon, a teaspoon, a fork, a mug and everything. Well, let's get started. First, add 4 tablespoons of flour. And then add 4 tablespoons of sugar. And then add 2 tablespoons of cocoa. And then break 1 egg and add it. And add 3 tablespoons of milk. And then add butter. And now I need to add baking powder. This is the consistency you should get. Then put the cupcake for 3 minutes in the microwave. It's very delicious, but it's very hot. So I leave the cupcake to cool. And now please like this video, subscribe on my channel, and goodbye everyone.